guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another house tour. It's a 2-bedroom flat and this flat is in Jung area. So they have these buildings here called Vavia. There are around 3 or 4 buildings and one of my friends stays here. So I'm going to give you a tour of this place. So let's start. So as you enter, this side you have closets. You have 2 big closets here. And then as you go in, so as I said, it's a 2-bedroom flat and this is the master bedroom here. So it has a really nice view. So this is on the main road and I think that's a school across the street. So in the master bedroom, they also have a washroom. And it has a sauna. So and then they have a walk-in closet here. This is the other bedroom. The closet is here. This is the washroom here. It's quite a spacious washroom. There's a standing shower. And then we come into the living room. As you can see, all 3 rooms, the 2 bedrooms and the living room have really huge windows. So this is when somebody comes to your place, and then if you want to talk to the person, you can press this, and if you want to open the door, press this one, security, emergency. So this thing is there in every room. You can control the temperature with the help of this. The kitchen is here. There's a workspace as well. The storage is quite good. A lot of cabinets. They have provided around 4 burners and there's an oven as well. Lots of storage. Then there's a microwave and they provided a dishwasher. The fridge also is a double door fridge which is quite spacious. Down is the freezer section. So this is the pantry area here. Down there is the washing machine. And on top you also have an ironing board. So coming to the rent of this place, since it's a really nice apartment, the rent is around 1.8 million per month and the deposit was around 20 million. And what I've heard is that over the past 2-3 years, the rent in Seoul has increased in general. So of course, this is a really nice place in terms of that. And just below these apartments, you have a lot of convenience stores. Even the Marts are nearby, and this place is on the main road. So even the subway station and even buses are really accessible. The subway station is hardly like a 2-minute walk from here. So all in all, this is a really great place to stay. And especially when you have public transport so close, of course the rent of the place also will be higher. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.